Hello, my name is Taya and welcome to Preston Audi. Today I'll be talking about this approved used Audi Q4 E-tron Sportback Black Edition finished in the modern Glacier White metallic paintwork. This powerful 2025 model is a 45 e-tron with an 82 kilowatt battery that produces 210 kilowatts or 282 horsepower. The top features include the striking matrix LED headlights that animate when the car is unlocked, paired with dynamic front and rear indicators and a rear light bar for great visibility, large 21-inch alloy wheels, rear privacy windows for passenger comfort, electric folding wing mirrors, sleek badging around the entire vehicle including S-Line and Q4 badging, in addition to stylish e-tron badging and blacked out Audi rings from the Black Edition spec to give that dramatic look, and this is all topped off with front and rear parking sensors, paired with a rear parking camera for awkward manoeuvres. This is alongside an electric boot lid that reveals a spacious 535-litre boot capacity for all your travel essentials, so you'll be covered whether it's a family day out or a big weekly food shop. In regards to charging this vehicle, you can find both AC and DC charging ports on the driver's side of the car, supporting easy home and fast public charging. This Q4 e-tron can charge up to 80% in just 28 minutes on an ultra-rapid public charger, while on a 7 kilowatt fast home charger it can fully charge the battery in just 13 hours, providing a range of up to an impressive 346 miles. In the rear, you'll find a luxurious full leather trim for that premium look and feel, in addition to a pull-down armrest with built-in cup holders, ISOFIX points for secure child seats, and a rear climate control with 2 USB-C charging ports. The front houses a multifunctional flat top and flat bottom leather steering wheel, complemented with a classy passenger dashboard, along with a large central touch display, climate control, a central console, and S-embossed front full leather seats. The steering wheel offers various audio controls with the option to navigate around the virtual cockpit screen, including vehicle range dependent on charge levels, vital driving data, audio and telephone connection, and even a full view display of the built-in navigation system. The cruise control and speed limiter features are also available to assist out on the open road. Moving across, the large central touch display houses similar options, including various radio and telephone connection and navigation for assisted travels. From here, you can also find wireless connection of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You can also access and adjust the interior lighting, where you can choose from a range of different colours to set the ambient lighting to your personal preference. You can also view the range and charging information and patterns, in addition to battery levels. You can also access Audi Drive Select, which offers a range of driving modes to suit you, whether it be for comfort or for any other preferred driving style. You can also view the reverse mirror when manoeuvring the vehicle. Just below, the 3-zone climate control offers a personalised temperature to meet you and your passengers' needs, with optional heated front seats that are also available. This is alongside the central console that features a gear shifter, 2 cup holders, a central armrest that reveals a hidden compartment, and an open storage compartment with a wireless phone charging pad and 2 USB-C charging ports. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.